Hello teacher, my full name is Young Khan. Today I'm going to talk about how I can improve my English and with option I think is best for me. And for me, uh, three there are three options studying abroad, taking course in English center in my country, and buying online course. In my opinion, I could choose to take up English course at Prescott English Center in my country. I think this is the best choice for several reasons. First, I learning in a good English center give me a chance to study with a professional teacher. They can correct my pronunciation and grammar mistake directly, which help me improve faster. Second, studying class allow me to practice speaking with other students. It makes learning English more fun and instructive. Uh, Compared to other two options, studying abroad is too expensive for me. It also takes a long time and I might feel homesick. Online courses are cheaper and more flexible, but it has to stay focused and there are no real teacher to help me when I don't understand something. To include talking in the course in a good center in my country is the most suitable option for me because it's effective, practical, and help me improve my skills step by step. Thank you for listening. That's all.